Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we will look into the LangChain agents. Like we will see what are those agents and how do they work within a specific example. How do the agents work? How we can use them, and then we will focus on a specific agents called SQL database agent. This is the agent using which you can interact with the relational SQL database, and then you can query the database using the natural language. That's what we are going to look in this particular video. So first of all, we are going to require let's say LangChain here. So we are installing the LangChain. So this is the framework we are going to require OpenAI. So OpenAI is as a large language model, and we are going to use, let's say, MySQL database to connect with my database. So we are going to use the PyMySQL. So pure Python based MySQL client library, it's actually a Python package which actually provides an API interface for us to interact with the MySQL relational databases. So yeah, so we have these things installed, and now let's look at what exactly the agent, and so you can go read more about it, but let me tell you briefly that exactly the agents are you can think of the LangChain agents are like an intelligent programs that for module which you can say it's a large language model, let's say ChatGPT or GPT-4, to decide what actions to take. For example, you can give some tasks to particular agents, and then those agents will use this large language model like charging to decide what action to take to be able to get the particular task done. And to do those particular tasks, it might require some certain tools. So there is a concept of and we also have a SERP API key. So this SERP API is nothing but like a real-time API to access the Google search results. So we have these keys, and we start to we will take the loaded the board tools like for the SERP API and LLM math. So, and we are using the LLM, which is a OpenAI LLM, which we're gonna use with the temperature 0. So then we are initializing the agent. So this agent will take as a these tools and LLM, and what is the here we are considering the agent as a agent type dot zero short agent as a zero short React description. So zero short React description is nothing but like an agent. So it's designed for the zero short text generation. So it is actually the text description as an input and response with the generated text with the relevant to the description. Because if you see like what is a zero shot learning is, like its ability to perform a task without explicit training over the task. So then we are running here like who is the Leonardo DiCaprio's girlfriend, what is her current age raised to 0.43 power. So this is the particular reason why we have taken the now we will gonna see like how we will interact with that SQL database agent. So here we will import all the agents, and we are taking the OpenAI, and we also taking the SQL database. So basically to interact with the database, like which can be hosted on the any server for that matter. So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna enter the username and password, and what is the host on which it is hosted, and what is the name of the database. So based on this, like we will interact with the database using the DB. Then what we exactly do is like we will take this DB, and we will create an like using the create SQL agent, we're gonna interact with that. So we're gonna make a toolkit out of it using the database. So once we make the database, like then we can query the database using the query. So for example, if you want to run it, we can create an SQL agent. So then we can query the table accordingly, like describe the order related table and how they are related, and we can also like describe the purchase details table, and we can also run to find the top 5 products with the highest total sales revenue. Like this we can run the queries over the SQL database. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.